Hello, I have here a Schaublin 102 a turret carriage with 6 stations. So this is the piece. It fits on the Schaublin 102 and it comes with some accessories. And yeah, I'm going to show some details. It comes with this tool holder here. Yeah, this one is in good condition. There's another one here. This one is incomplete or broken, and it's added for free. And I thought maybe you can yeah, adjust it to some unique situation. You never know. It comes with a Rohm drill chuck with key, and it comes with a bigger Schaublin drill chuck without key. So this cylindrical shaft here is 20mm, fits in here. It comes with a collet holder from Schaublin for ES25 collets. So there's a couple of collets included in this set. It comes with a tap die holder here. There's an M5 included there, and yeah, a couple of more dies here. Seven pieces more, total 8. And here's a small collet holder for the ES16 collets, and there's a couple of them included as well. Most of them are double, so it's not a set. I think a lot of them are 5mm, and a couple of them are different. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, this tool is in good condition. In the next video I will put it on a Schaublin 102 and show the movements. And thank you for watching.